What's up, everybody? My name is Graham Nation, and today we're celebrating 25 years of sexy hair with the sexiest collab ever. I'll be taking you through some of Christina Aguilera's most iconic looks. Today, we're gonna do Genie in a Bottle. Let's get started.
On damp hair, create a zigzag part. Spray Big Root Pump Plus for lift at the root area and all over body and fullness. Layer Big Blow Dry Volumizing Gel for a workable medium hold and thermal protection. Blow dry the hair using a round brush for smooth volume. Smooth the mid-links and ends with a flat iron, flipping the ends out to create a bend. Spray Big Fun Razor at the root area and gently back comb to create volume and fullness. Finish this look with Big Weatherproof to repel humidity and layer Big Spray and Play Volumizing Hairspray for a long-lasting hold and shine.
Let's begin.